So I lost most of my coverage. I don't know what happened here, but pretty much in a nutshell, what I've done is use my template here and my pin router and shaped this guitar body to pretty close to roughly done shape. And so now the next step will be take it right over here to my my Win oscillating belt sander and start smoothing everything out and get it to the final shape. But anyway, I just wanted to do a little snippet because as you can see the chips flew, but the camera decided not to record. So sometimes those kind of things happen. Anyway. Alright, so first thing I want to do here is take this, what we call a sander eraser, I guess, and clean that sandpaper up. Then I'm going to take my body here and I'm going to start shaping it. Got my pencil lines drawn on the body here as to where I want to go. Yes, I know this is different heights, but I'm not worried about that because I'm going to be burning this body and it's going to be charred and look quite a bit different. But anyway, you get the idea. So I take the sander all the way around. I also have a oscillating drum sander if I need it, but this should be able to get in here and help finish these shapes out. Great tool to have in your shop. It's not the most powerful thing, but it actually works. So anyway, that'll be my next step, and then on to bigger and better things as far as we got to figure out if we're doing a set neck or a bolt-on neck. He hasn't decided yet, so we got to do that. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Thad Shoemaker, Shoemaker Guitar Works. Hit that like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.